Hey, it's Landon, and today I'm bringing you an Atlas educational moment. If you are trying to pest-proof your home, here are some helpful tips. Number one, make sure all the crumbs and food off your counters and floors are getting swept and cleaned daily. It doesn't take long before ants and cockroaches and other bugs start to find that food and bring all their friends. So if you can make a cleaning schedule and you can really get on top of getting rid of all the crumbs, the food, just basically all the things that bugs will like to eat. Another thing that you can do to kind of pest-proof your home this summer is to clean up all the debris around your house, like all the leaves. Usually the leaves are a prime place for cockroaches, spiders, centipedes, millipedes. So if you can rake up the leaves and throw them away, you're gonna see a lot less pest activity. Another way to do pest prevention this fall is to do that one last final cut on your grass. Make sure that grass is, trimmed at a decent length where it's not going to be inviting a lot of the other bugs to nest and hide over the winter time. Typically, you're going to start seeing a lot of earwigs, centipedes, millipedes, silverfish. Those are the bugs that like the damp moisture. Around places where you leave wet laundry, wet towels, anywhere where you kind of just have, wet floors. And so the best way to prevent that is to hang up your towels, keep everything off the floor, make sure that nothing's just sitting damp. If you're starting to notice a lot of little fruit flies and drain flies, it's probably because you're not cleaning out your drains. One of the best ways to clean out your drains is to do some baking soda and vinegar and kind of warm it up a little bit and just pour it down the drain and let it sit, and that will really help kind of just clean out your drain and minimize all the drain flies. Another thing that people are starting to see is the fruit flies. Those will accumulate around your trash cans, your fruit bowls, so you frequently got to take out the trash, and if any of your fruit is starting to go bad, you got to take that out as well. One of the big ways to prevent bugs getting into your wheat and flour is to make sure that it's in a proper container where they can't get in. So anything that's plastic that can really just clamp down and seal off really will help prevent all like the Indian meal moths and grain beetles from getting into your grain and destroying your food storage. And if you want more Atlas educational moments, don't forget to like and subscribe.